Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a Mazda vehicle, any Mazda, not just this CX-7 guys, any Mazda, and you're trying guys to test your upstream oxygen sensor and know if your oxygen sensor is good or bad, stay with us guys and we'll explain how to do that. Mazdas guys are different, okay, they're different than actually German vehicles. Why? Because they show the value guys, okay, of the upstream oxygen sensors in milliamps, not volts. So we'll explain what's normal, what is not. Make sure you stay until the end. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get guys. We have more than 200 videos on our channels. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below guys and let us know what you think and if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So we'll be working here on this 2010 Mazda guys, and the scanner that we'll be using, it's very inexpensive scanner. You can find a link to the scanner listed in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. You need to find your OBD connector now, OBD port, okay, and just go ahead and connect it, okay, like that. After you connect it guys, all you have to do, go inside the vehicle. Now it's very important what you do next. Start the car guys, let it run for 4 minutes, maybe 5, but 4 is better, okay. You can let it run 5, it's fine as well. What's important guys, okay, to make sure that the car warms up, okay, and the coolant temperature is warmed up. So this is the scanner now. We're going to select enter. Next, okay, let me show you guys what we'll be doing. Okay, we click enter again, and what we'll need to do now, okay, you have two modules guys here. Under one of those will be the oxygen sensor reading, but it's hard to tell sometimes which one it is, to be honest with you, so you just have to guess. Usually it's the first one, sometimes it's the second one, so you never know. We'll select live data here, and gotta make sure you stand till the end because I'll share something with you. It's loading now. It will take a little bit of time now, okay, to read all the parameters. And what we have here now, it's a good sensor guys, so you will know if yours, okay, the values on yours are the same like ours, close to ours, then yours is good too. We click view data, okay, right there, and under view data guys, we're going to select complete data set. It's loading now, and we're going to see the engine coolant temperature 94 degrees Celsius. That's really warm, so it's good. Next we'll go to the next page, and you can see guys, okay, this is sensor 2 bank 1. This is the one past the catalytic converter. We do not need this one. We need to go all the way to oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1. It says S11. This is the one guys, okay, that we need now. Okay, that sensor right there. So what do we need to do now? Okay, you can see catalytic converter is at 590 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty warm. We need to guys go back, and I'm going to select custom dataset. Under custom dataset, I will select now, okay, we will just click enter. Now we'll select the engine RPMs, okay, right there, and then we'll select guys, okay, the oxygen sensor. Okay, right here, sensor 1 bank 1, enter. Now if that sensor guys, okay, when it idles the car, a good sensor will show close to 0, but it will never stay at 0. If it stays at 0, you have a bad sensor. Okay, you can see ours moves up and down a little bit, so it's definitely good at idling. Okay, but what will happen next guys? Okay, check this thing out. I'm going to select the sensor only. Okay, we'll open the graph. Okay, and now if I rev the engine up and let off, you go up and down. Okay, you can see it goes up and down, and it can go up to like 3 milliamps, quite a bit. And eventually when you let it off, okay, when you let it idle, it will go back to 0. Okay, you can see it's leveling itself now. Perfect, right there. Now if I go back guys, okay, or let's just stay here, you can see the RPMs right here in the on the vehicle. If I hold it at steady RPMs and we're going to start at 2000, it needs to bring itself to 0. Okay, I'm trying to focus here because the light is a little bit weird. So check it out, it brings itself to 0. You have to be very steady RPMs. Then I bring it to 2500 RPMs. It stays at 0, guys, around 0. 3000, the same thing. So at steady RPMs, that sensor needs to be close to 0 because that will be the perfect mixture. If it just stays too high, too low, or not moving at all, it's a bad sensor. So eventually at idle it will bring itself to 0 again. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.